How to find add topics settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find add topics settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again. Now you will find this one here, add preferences. Click on it and click add topics, add preferences, and then here you will find it, add topics. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.